Hi Design Darlings, this is Tanisha Denise and this is day 6 of the, or day 7, sorry, of the 12 Days of Junk Journal gift ideas. So this is a mini journal, 1 page. I took 1 page, folded it into fourths, and made a little booklet out of the 4 pages. And then I'm just basically going to collage the cover and collage the insides and also have some journaling spots. And the theme on this is kind of a woman empowerment theme. So there'll be quotes that I'll read to you at the end, and they're just quotes that I created on my own. And yeah, so front page is just a magazine cover with some vintage hem paper and a little rose from a digital kit. Then inside, what I'm doing now is just kind of deciding which images I want on which pages. Now I'm creating a journaling card and just kind of giving some interest to the edges there. And I put a sticker on the back that says magic. And then I'm creating a spot to put a quote on. I hole punched the top of that journaling card and put a ribbon through it. You can see I just wrote the quote there. Adding some washi, throughout the journal that kind of matches. So I'm doing some collaging on the second page there, and I'll add a quote to that page as well. Some of the things I use tacky glue if it's thicker. If it's thin like magazine pages, I'm using glue stick. Now I'm gluing in I'm actually preparing the middle portion, and I'm going to make a flip out on that portion. So it's going to be a flip out, and on the outside of the flip it's going to be a tuck spot. Inside the tuck spot is a tiny envelope with a little piece of paper just for journaling and just fun. I attached the flip with some washi, and then inside the flip is a quote there. There'll be a blank page for journaling, and then on the opposite side, the girl with the glasses, and I think this is a pocketbook. I'm going to put a quote beside her. And again, these are just quotes that I made up. It's not quotes from anything specific. I had to move my spot to a different spot because my phone was dying. So I added another last lady, and then now I'm making like a tiny notebook that I'm going to slip inside the pocket behind that lady, because when you do a 1-page journal in this manner, a lot of pockets are created. And I'm sorry I didn't slow it down to show you exactly how to do the 1 page. This is more just a general idea.
Hi guys, so I'm back with my mini journal completed, and I'm super excited to show it to you. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So I really enjoyed making this. It was really fun. It was pretty quick, but it still took me a bit of time. So here's the cover, the spine, the back cover. Put lace on all the edges, and then it's themed. This is a woman empowerment theme, sort of. Open it up. It says magic happens when women gather. And then here inside of a pocket is a journaling card with an art piece of women kind of gathered together looking magical. And then this little piece of washi says magic. So you got that there. And this beautiful picture of Sophia Loren, and it says her thoughts and emotions became action and plans, and nothing was the same. Did some collaging right here. Then I did a tab, and it's a piece of paper with lace layered on top of it. On the tab, I just dangled these altered paper clips. So make sure that you watch my other videos. You can see how to do these in one of the other 12 Days of Junk Journal tutorials. Then behind her is another journaling card. I just stapled the organza to the top. It says this was my moment, with some words, and you could journal on the back as well. And then turn the page, and it says I roamed the corners of my mind until I was satisfied. So pretty simple. And then here's another altered paper clip, and you can see how to do that in the other video. So this is on this page edge, and you can take it off, and then you can access this tiny envelope with a tiny journaling spot. And it was sitting inside of a tuck spot. The paper clip isn't necessary to keep it in place. I just thought the paper clip looked pretty, so I put it in there. So that's a tuck spot. It says shine bright. You flip it, and it says falling in love is easy. Ugh, falling in love is easy. Choosing love is hard. And just some collaging, and then a space to write. And then finally, you have the last page, and it has this woman here from a Gustav Klimt painting, and inside of the pocket above her is a tiny notebook where you can journal. And this is probably not the type of journal that I would make for someone else. This is more so like it's already kind of decorated and I can use it to do further decorating, but I would make it a lot more blank if it was for somebody else. And then this flip says, the world turns when a woman's determined. And then that's the end. So yeah, just a little fun themed mini journal. So I hope that gave you some ideas. You could just put the spots here, not write all those quotes and stuff, and you could make it a lot more, accessible, like if you wanted to give it as a gift. Some people like the collaged things with already written quotes and stuff in it. Like I said, I probably wouldn't do it as decorated already. I would probably do light decorating if I was going to give this as a gift. But I feel like it's so small, I would probably use this for myself. I can't really see somebody wanting some. I don't know. Maybe people do, but I wouldn't think that they would want something that's already this decorated if they want to do journaling. But yeah, so it's super cute. I love making it. Super tiny, but fun to make. And I hope that it inspires you guys to make something for your junk journal friends. Alrighty, well, have a beautiful day. Bye.